In this video, we're diving into one of the biggest debates for modern businesses, Instagram versus WhatsApp. Which one works better for growing your brand in 2025? Is it Instagram, where aesthetics and attention collide, or WhatsApp, where real conversations turn into loyal customers? Whether you're a content creator, a local service provider, or a fast-scaling startup, choosing the right platform can feel like choosing the wrong one could ruin everything. But what if we told you it's not about picking sides? It's about understanding how each tool fits into your customer journey. Stay till the end because we'll reveal real business hacks, free tools, and the ultimate verdict that could save you thousands and possibly win you your next 100 customers. Let's get into it. The great divide: Instagram and WhatsApp might be owned by the same parent company, Meta, but they work like two completely different planets in the digital universe. On one hand, Instagram thrives on visual discovery. It's a place where users scroll, explore, and stumble upon brands they've never heard of. On the other hand, WhatsApp is all about direct, real-time conversations. It's intimate, private, and highly trusted. Think of Instagram as the attractive storefront window that catches attention. WhatsApp, that's the friendly shop assistant who answers your questions and closes the sale. Some brands try to use one or the other, but in reality, knowing how to pair them strategically is the real growth cheat code. And we're just getting warmed up. Platform face-off. Let's get straight into the numbers and functionality. In the battle between Instagram and WhatsApp, here's how they match up. Instagram is a visual powerhouse with over 2 billion users, 71% of them under 35. Perfect for showing off new product drops, collaborations with influencers, and creating viral content through stories and reels. WhatsApp also has over 2 billion users, but its demographic is broader, making it better for all-age communications. It thrives in one-on-one settings, offering end-to-end encryption, faster replies, and private support that builds long-term relationships. When it comes to tools, Instagram has advanced ad targeting and creative options, perfect for campaigns. WhatsApp's strength lies in its ability to send personalized messages, updates, and support instantly, especially through its business API. So which is better? Depends on what stage your customer is in. Discovery? Go with Instagram. Conversion and support? WhatsApp is king. Industry-specific winner. Let's get specific. Not every business benefits equally from each platform. Choose Instagram if you're in fashion or beauty. The visual game here is unmatched. Reels and influencer collabs drive 3 times more engagement in these industries. If you're a skincare brand, a trendy clothing store, or a beauty subscription box, Instagram is your digital runway. Travel and food brands? Instagram is a magnet. Around 80% of travelers say they discovered a new destination or hotel through Instagram. Foodies love seeing reels of sizzling dishes, behind-the-scenes chef moments, and user-generated content. But if you're in e-commerce, healthcare, edtech, or provide local services like plumbing, deliveries, or real estate, WhatsApp wins hands down. It lets you confirm orders, send payment links, and keep communication smooth. In fact, just using WhatsApp for follow-ups can reduce cart abandonment by 18%. Need appointment reminders? One-on-one support? Secure file sharing? WhatsApp handles it all like a pro. Functional strengths compared. Let's break it down by core functions. Marketing and sales. Instagram leads with shoppable posts, clickable reels, and influencer reach. You can literally tag a product in a post and send people directly to a checkout page. That's retail therapy with speed. WhatsApp, however, plays smarter at the bottom of the funnel. With its business API, you can send customized cart reminders or discount messages based on past interactions. It feels personal, not spammy, and the open rates, up to 80%, are insane. Number support. Instagram DMs are great for casual questions. Plus, public comments add social proof, a big bonus. But WhatsApp wins in support. With automated chatbots, 24/7 replies, and shipping alerts, it boosts customer satisfaction by over 65%. And let's be real, who doesn't want faster answers, content, and engagement? Instagram's engagement tools are endless. Live videos, polls, carousels, Q&As, You can build an audience and brand story daily. WhatsApp focuses more on function than flair, but that doesn't mean it's boring. With voice notes, catalogs, and document sharing, it's becoming a central hub for businesses, especially those managing orders or appointments. Integration hacks. Use both to win. Here's where things get fun. You don't have to choose just one. The smartest businesses combine Instagram and WhatsApp to move users down the funnel, from discovery to purchase. Example: add a click to WhatsApp link in your Instagram bio or stories. Someone sees your cool product on Instagram, taps the link, and instantly chats with you on WhatsApp to ask questions or place an order. Fashion brands have seen up to 40% increase in conversions using this method. You're shortening the gap between interest and action. Even better, tools like Galabox or Control Hippo let you manage both Instagram DMs and WhatsApp chats from one dashboard. And with Verloop.io, you can automate replies on both platforms using smart AI, limitations, and workarounds. Now for some honesty. Neither platform is perfect. Instagram's weakness? It doesn't have end-to-end encryption. That makes it risky for handling sensitive customer data like credit card numbers or health information. Fix? Move those high-intent or sensitive convos to WhatsApp where it's encrypted and secure. WhatsApp's weakness? It lacks a discovery engine. People can't just find your business the way they do on Instagram. Fix. Use Instagram to drive traffic. Drop your WhatsApp number in captions, reels, or even stories with a call to action like "Chat with us now." Key takeaways. Still can't decide? You don't need to. Use both, smartly. Instagram gets you eyeballs. WhatsApp builds relationships and trust. That combo? Business magic. From a numbers standpoint, Instagram's average ROI is $4.50 per dollar spent. But WhatsApp messages have open rates near 80%, which email and even Instagram can't touch. If you're a visual B2C brand, lead with Instagram and funnel to WhatsApp for purchases. If you're a service-based or high-touch brand, start on WhatsApp and use Instagram as social proof. Need help choosing? Download the Platform Selector tool here. It's a free quiz that matches your business with the right starting strategy. Real-world case studies. Let's make it real. A luxury resort in Bali grew its bookings by 30% using Instagram Reels to showcase views, then closed bookings via WhatsApp, where they handled guest questions and confirmed reservations. An e-learning startup cut support costs by 50% when they moved FAQs from Instagram DMs to WhatsApp chatbots. The bots answered common questions while the team focused on onboarding new students. These businesses didn't choose one. They built a system using both. Instagram is your billboard, WhatsApp is your concierge. Both serve different roles, but together, they create a seamless customer journey that turns strangers into superfans. So leave a comment. Are you Team Instagram, Team WhatsApp, or both? If you got value from this, give it a like, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart business content like this. Your audience is out there. Time to meet them where they are and move them where you want them to go.